Today we are going to talk about error catcher in application integration. In application integration, error catcher can be defined at a task level or at an event level. Here is the documentation of how to create error catcher in application integration. Next we'll see it in action. In this demo, we have a simple flow which calls a REST endpoint. We will attach an error catcher at a task level which sends an email. We have a very simple application integration flow which has an API trigger and calls a REST endpoint. On this REST endpoint, there is currently no error handler, so you can see there is error catcher as none. We quickly go and create an error catcher. So here we see the error catcher has been created. What we'll do is we need to send an email. So I'm just going to configure a send email task with a simple email address, which is my email address, and I'll put the subject as application integration call field, and I'll put the body as hi Satyam application integration for failed. Kindly look at the logs. Thanks. So here's my email box, which is currently empty. So you can see there has been no emails here. What we'll do is we will go and start looking at the application integration flow. We'll quickly test this flow now. I'll first send a request for 200. So when I click on test this integration, you would see that this integration execution has happened. Nothing has failed, so it is all good. No emails received. Again, you can look at this. There is no emails received yet. Now what we'll do is we'll go and edit the input variable, change it to an 500 error. So when I test it with the 500 error, I'm expecting this application integration call to fail and an email to be triggered. What we can do, we can look at the logs. Also, what you can do is if you look, there's an email just now that I received. You can look at the details and it says, hi, Satyam, application integration call failed. So that's how error catcher works in application integration. Thank you.